Let's talk about the power of creating digital products. Creating digital products could be anything, but the one thing we're not talking about here is creating something to help people learn how to make money online. So to be really successful long-term online, you need to create something that solves a problem, something you're good at, and is different from everybody else out there. You need to stand out. So look at it this way. If thousands of people are doing the same thing, why would you jump into the deep end of the pool with not having any experience or being a techie doing the same thing that they've been doing? You need to be different, right? Now, I get it. You're probably saying to yourself, well, that sounds great, Bill, but no, I don't have a product and I don't know how to get started. And that's one of the biggest problems out there because people get sucked in to solve those problems. I don't have a product, I don't know how to get started. They see stuff online that makes it look so easy for them, they jump in and find out that they're not gonna have success because they pretty much just fail. But if you were to create your own digital product, I'm talking about something that you know, something that you're good at, something you're an expert in. Now you're probably saying, well, I don't know any of that stuff. Well, that's where the game's gonna change for you. So what I've done is I put together a simple step-by-step process going to show you how to create your first digital product literally in 72 hours. I'm going to show you how to discover your digital product that you don't even know you have yet, but you do. I'm going to provide you ChatGPT prompts that you're going to fill the blanks in, and that's going to build out your product. Then we're going to take the results of those prompts, we're going to copy and paste it, we're going to go to Canva, and we're going to build your digital product. That's your digital product right there. Then I'm going to guide you along in how to promote that product on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Facebook, Instagram, or whatever platform you're using. But that's just the beginning. Once you understand how to build the digital product and get the income coming in, I'm going to show you how to take that product idea you have and take it to a whole other level. And here's the best part about it. You don't need to go buy one of those big marketing courses out there to learn how to do this. You can do it really for free, again, free information right now. So if you want to learn how to create your first digital product, 5 steps, get going on it. You're ready to come up with your idea and that kind of thing. Do a couple things right now. Comment digital, make sure you follow and subscribe. I'll reach out to you, I'll send you some information. At the same time, here's your opportunity to change everything. You don't need to learn digital marketing up front to create an income. You can do it before that. Get the validation, figure out what you want to do, figure out how it works, see how it works, get the results first, then worry about scaling. You may not want to scale, and that's fine, but figure out how to create your first digital product. Stop complaining about the prices, everything. Stop complaining about life not going the way you want it. The times have changed right now. So do those things. Comment digital, follow, subscribe. I'll talk to you real soon. Let's go.